this working? Can you hear? Did I press something wrong?
No, we can hear you.
Okay, first of all, you guys are going to be, you're going to have to be a little more lively. No? Okay, never mind. So I was asked to speak here. I am a YouTuber. My name's Prajakta, and I've been doing YouTube for a year now. Ria told you that.
Yeah.
You all know that. Awesome. I see that a lot of our elders are here. We've got teachers, professors. Do we have parents? Yes, we have parents. Awesome. And we have, of course, we've got students. So, being from a very different career path that is kind of growing up in the country right now, I had a few things to share which I thought might prove of use to everybody here. I'd like to speak to the elders first. YouTube is very new. We don't have a YouTube culture in India yet, but it's growing, it's coming up. And not just YouTube, there are a lot of other career paths which are more inclined towards being on the creative side of things, where, you know, books and smart brains, like book smart brain, don't really come of much use. The thing with parents and elders is sometimes, you know, our elders get a little insecure. Sometimes they get a little worried about when students are more inclined towards the creative part of things and not towards books. I'm not saying, I would never ever want to tell parents that, you know what, it's okay, let them not study, let them just do whatever they want to do, because that's going to be wrong, and I'll tell you why. But if I have this platform, I'd really like to tell you guys that, you know what, maybe keep it as an open option, you know, because if there are times when, look at me, I was so bad in studies. Like, but I still completed my education. Oh my God, I'm confusing way too many points. Let me get to the point. So all I want to say to our elders is, you know, it's something new. It's growing. It's fun, and it takes a lot of efforts. Also, it doesn't look as glamorous and as easy as it does. It's really more than that. So I would appeal to all our elders that, you know, if your kids are more inclined towards that part of the story, then I think a little you know, keeping that as an option isn't such a bad idea. And to the kids, I'd like to say, you know what, guys, all of this is okay. You know, you want to be creative, you want to be famous, you want to be a model, you want to be an actor, you want to be a YouTuber. Anybody who wants to be a YouTuber here? Yeah, you guys want to be a YouTuber. That is amazing, but you need to know that you need to have a academic background, because like for me, all my life, all I wanted to do was radio, alright? And as soon as I started doing radio, I figured that, oh my God, I'm so bad at this, I cannot do it. And I quit. Like, I tried really hard for 1 year, I tried doing radio for a year, and then I quit. Although that was the one thing I wanted to do all my life, I still quit it. So maybe, you know, right now there's something that you want to do, something that drives you, that mujhe bade hoke yehi banna hai, and this does not require me to study, so I'm not going to study maths. It's not how it works, alright? Let me just pop the bubble right now. You have to have a academic background. You have to have a option open just in case what you're doing doesn't work. Yeah, no, that's true. So you need to, why, like, everything that's creative about you, why don't you start off doing that as a hobby and see how it goes, see how much grip you get with it. And if it's amazing, if you think that you can make a career out of this and you can feed yourself and you can feed your family and everybody else, go for it. Otherwise, I think you should study. Please study. I am not here to promote not to study. You need to study. And you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for having me here. I have no clue how much sense I made, because I clubbed a lot of feelings together. See, this is what happens when I'm speaking. Like, even in my videos, I have a lot of things going in my head, and that is why the happens. So that's all I want to say is, like, bottom line, elders, if they're going that way, I think, way to go, or let's try it, or, you know, just don't completely block that out for them. And kids, behave. All right?